To edit the style of a text box, select it and click on Text in the editing menu. This is where you will find all the basic font properties. To save time, you can select multiple text boxes at once. If the selected text boxes don't have the same font properties, you will see it reflected in the editing menu. Changing a font property will override the property for all selected text boxes. If you make a mistake, just deselect the elements and hit undo. To edit text, double-click on a text box and start typing. Notice how objects below the text box are being pushed down or pulled up? This feature, called Text Reflow, was developed to help you maintain your desktop and mobile design when editing text. You can click on More to access advanced text features such as heading tags for SEO. In order to make your website stand out, PageCloud gives you the ability to add custom fonts. The most commonly used font libraries are Google Fonts and Adobe fonts. For Google, find the font you want to use and then copy and paste it onto your page. Once the font is added to your page, you will be able to style it however you'd like. Keep in mind that this font has only been added to your current page. To use this font on another page, you will need to paste it again or duplicate your current page. Here's how you add a font from Adobe Fonts. First, select the font you want to use. Activate the font. Add it to your web project. Copy the embed code and paste it on your page. Your font is now available for use in the drop-down menu. To add custom fonts outside of Google and Adobe, please visit our knowledge base for detailed instructions.